Remember, remember, the 5th of November, known as Bonfire Night. It was an unsuccessful plot in 1605, but we celebrate the heroics of the one and only Guy Fawkes. Here are 5 places you should visit to celebrate Guy Fawkes' legacy. Number 5. Blackpool. Blackpool has it all. The festivals, the light show in the winter months are a spectacle sight to witness. If you haven't been there, you have to go there at least once in your life. There are good entertainment areas such as the theme park, which can be closed in the winter though, leisure centres and theatres. Sugary snacks are everywhere to get energized, and cheap, flashy toys to take home as souvenirs. Number 4. Yorkshire. Yorkshire is the home of Guy Fawkes. You could visit Leeds, York, Bradford, Middlesbrough, Skinning Grove. Skinning Grove is a designated area where they host firework events. There are plenty of options to thank Guy Fawkes as you watch the heavens light up. Number 3. Newcastle. Stay near the canal and the city centre. Make sure to wear something fancy. Buy yourself a pint or two and dance around. Wish to the heavens for a new hero, as we really need someone tough these days. And in this city you can get away with anything as nobody can understand each other. Number 2. Manchester. The Northwest region is also a fan of Guy Fawkes, and Manchester is always lit on the 5th of November. There are a number of firework displays in and around the city centre. It's better to be in the north of England than the south, as the north is the home of Guy Fawkes. Number 1. Your back garden. Yes, there are various sites all over London, such as the Alexandria Palace, and the south of England, in particular Lewes in Sussex. In Cardiff they put a show annually, however some are struggling with the cost of living, so you may not see it. So do it yourself. Make some noise for Guy Fawkes. These days the people of England haven't got anything left in the tank to be a hero. And I'm not saying to go out there and do something stupid and horrible, but you need to make some noise, be heard by everyone around, and show that you mean business. So every year on the 5th of November, see, smell and hear the fireworks, and do it yourself. Put your phones away for once. Be careful not to burn yourself or do something really disastrous, as the A&E department are busy on that night, getting pranked by idiots, burning down bins. So go ahead and buy yourself a box of treats or a racket or two and light those bangers until midnight.